Billy Sky here, bringing you a new listing. I actually listed the house next door a few months back. It had multiple showings, multiple offers, went under contract in a timely manner, and sold. What's great about that is I never knew the amount of homeowners in this area and how highly sought after this neighborhood really was until I was door knocking the neighborhood and I had a chance to meet this homeowner and interview for the job to sell their home. And here we are a couple months later. The home is staged, ready to go, looking sharp, and I'm excited to tell you more about it. This property is located at 2040 Northwest 23rd Street, Corvallis, Oregon. Some of the specialty property highlights is the serene North Corvallis neighborhood near schools and parks. Lot size, 0.24 acres, just over a 10,000 square foot lot. Pricing is offered at $635,000. Inviting living room with abundant natural light. Also has a built-in fireplace. Living space is 2,006 square feet. Some of the interior features: spacious kitchen. Flooring is a combination of carpet, wood, and laminate flooring. Formal dining room. This is a single-story ranch-style home with classic floor plan and modern updates. Home was built in 1969, 4 bedrooms, two and a half baths. The garage was originally a 2-car garage that has since been converted into an added den or office space for a study. So that leaves a L-shaped garage area. You can see why we call this backyard a private little oasis, as it's professionally landscaped. It's got flowers, plants, shrubs, you name it. It's just a cool place to kick back, relax. And as you can see, this was a spot that these homeowners enjoyed sitting on the back porch and enjoying the peace and quiet, drinking coffee, or an afternoon sun, soaking it all in. And when they get the chance, they come right on over here, pick some grapes off the vine. Thank you for taking the time to tour this property with us today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. We look forward to meeting the new homeowners soon, as this property will not be on the market long. If you'd like to schedule your private tour, get a hold of us at the information on the screen. Have a great day.